guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Cadbury Dairy Milk Crispello. If you have tried this chocolate, do comment down below. I got this at general store and I said let's unbox this product. But before that, if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel by clicking that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get all notification from us. So this is the front side of packaging and you will able to see the cost of product, that is rupees 10, and they have mentioned the name of the product, that is Cadbury Dairy Milk Crispello. On the rear side of the packaging you will able to see green dot which says that this product is for vegetarians. Here they have given the list of ingredients, that is sugar, cocoa butter, milk solid, wheat crispies, refined wheat flour, that is maida, sugar, cornstarch, iodized salt, cocoa solid, palm kernel oil, leavening agents, cocoa solid, lactose, emulsifiers, contain added flavors, natural, nature, identical and artificial, milk and vanilla. Flavoring substance, allergen information contain milk, wheat and best before 9 months from the date of packaging. Here you will able to see the net weight of this product is 3.0 gram. Here you will able to see they have given nutritional information about the product. It would have been damn better if they have given in a table format. Here they have used energy 511 kcal, protein 5.9 gram, carbohydrate 67.5 gram, sugar 54.5 gram, fat 24.1 gram. Fats should be minimum 17 gram, and even they have used too much of sugar. Saturated fat is 14.1 gram, which is more. Trans fat 0.0 gram, sodium 163 milligram. Here they have given that if you are not satisfied with the product quality, retain the package and call 1-800-227-080 or you can email to them at this email ID. Write to Mumbai address on pack. This product is manufactured by Mondelez India Food Private Limited, unit number 2001, 20th floor, Tower 3, Wing C, India Bulls Finance Center, Parel, Mumbai. Even they got FSSAI license number. You can store this in cool, hygienic and dry place. My suggestion is that you can keep it in a refrigerator. This is how Crispello looks from inside. Note that this is behind picture. And this is how it looks from front side. You will able to see 2 chocolate fingers. Now let's taste this, guys. I have tasted Cadbury Crispello for you and I can say that this is good and there is crispiness in the product as there are crunchy balls inside. So when you are eating this, you actually feel the crunch. If I want to speak about Cadbury Crispello, then I will say that the crispiness of fingers is there, as there are the crispy balls inside along with chocolate. Presentation wise, then I would say that they should improve on their presentation. That's all in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to us, and do let us know your views in the comment section below. Thank you.